Hi friends, welcome to our channel Food and Happiness. Today let's see how to make Masala Vada. These dal vada or Parippu vada, or popularly called as Chattambade in our local language, is a savory, spiced, crunchy fritters that are a popular street food in South India. This is a very easy evening snack recipe and tastes amazing with a hot cup of tea. First, let's take a mixing bowl. Take 2 cups of chana dal. To this, let's add 1/4 cup of urad dal. Add enough water and wash thoroughly. Discard the water. It is washed 4 times now. Now let's add sufficient amount of water and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. Now after 2 hours, the grains are soaked well now. Drain off all the water. Keep it in the strainer for 10 minutes so that all the water is strained well. There should not be any water in the dal. Now all the water is drained well now. Let's take this dal in the mixing jar. Now let's grind it to make a coarse paste. The paste should be slightly coarse. If you get dal bites while eating, it tastes amazing. Now let's add few other ingredients. First let's add 1 finely chopped onion. Add 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add few chopped coriander leaves. Add few chopped ginger. And let's add few curry leaves. Add the salt according to your taste. Finally, let's add a pinch of hing. Mix it well using your hands. Now let's make the patties. Apply some oil on your palms, otherwise the dough will get stick to your palms. Take a small ball sized dough. Make patties by pressing between your palms. The patty should not be thick, remember it. It should be not so thick or not so thin type. Check the size of the patties. Now let's keep this patty on a plate. Keep all the vadas ready like this before frying. Now let's heat up oil for frying. When the oil becomes hot, drop the patties carefully. Do not crowd the pan. And do not disturb the patties after dropping. Flip carefully when it turns golden brown from one side. The flame should be medium to low. Cook the other side till it turns golden brown. Now let's take it out onto a plate. Delicious and easy snack Chattambade or Masala Vada is ready to serve now. This dal vada is a must-try recipe during monsoon season. Hope you all liked this recipe. Please give us a thumbs up, share your comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next week with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye, take care.